Today we have Perodua Activa variant X, freshly baked from the showroom. This X variant is a basic spec of Activa. It doesn't come with any players. There is no reverse camera. There is no basic safety system such as DVR, video recorder. So this customer actually changed to our new TEYES CC3 series, the CC3L. So here we are after the installation of the TEYES CC3, the latest one. This is the base model. We call it the TEYES CC3L. So it has a similar function as the Pro version. So as you can see, TEYES digital video recorder, it comes with ADAS function. You can have lane departure, front collision, and also car ahead moving. Apart from this car has also installed the reverse camera from TEYES, very clear, and also the front camera from TEYES. It also supports CarPlay and Android Auto wirelessly. Assuming, let's say this Activa X, it doesn't come with steering control, not to worry, because with TEYES Android player, it has this multi-gesture functions. Down, volume up, next track. This, you also have this function. You can have other theme colors. This is to change the mood of your car ambience. Blue color. You can have black color. How cool.